Bafowethu Thembe siyaphila. Sengibuyile. Hey uyazi bafowethu. Ya. Uma ngibheka udaba lolu bokuthulwa kubufakazi uSenzo Mchunu. Hey ngimbona mina uSenzo Mchunu edlala ipolitiki kakhulu. Yabona nje ukube ipolitician nokuzazi ukuthi no ipolitician. Kuhamba ubuye uyikhohle ukuthi ulayini wakho ekufanele kuhambe ngawo imuphi. Uthi umbuzo ngalesikhathi ubhala incwadi ukuthi uyayidisbanda i-task team babe khona yini o-general abathathu na okuMasimula uKhumalo uMkhwanazi babe khona yini na? Cha, babe ngekho. Mangabe nayikhumbula ivideo yami engiyayenza ensukwini ezidlule uzokuthola lapho engangithi khona uSenzo Mchunu guilty. Ngakubeka ngokusobala ngathi this man is guilty. Ngakubeka ngokusobala. Angilokhanga ngincetheza ngishona lena le. Ngakubeka ngokusobala ngoba ngangazi ngangibona futhi uincroachile uxambukelile. Into efuneka siyithole yini le ebimenza ngoba akusiyona lento ayishoyo yebudget. Ibudget akusiyona yakhe. Ibudget ye-national ayihlangani nayo. Ikhona ibudget kwi-national yokuthi kukhokhelwe izidingo zamaphoyisa. Yena akahlangani nalokho. Lesi sinqumo asithatha ehlezi ku-round sokuthi adisbande ithimu enkulu kangaka ebaluleke kangaka. Ithimu esizayo, ithimu ebebulala edila nokubulawa kwamalokhuzana kwama-politician namakhosi. Le thimu ibaluleke kabi. Wena uvese uyohlala ku-round wena ebese ubhala incwadi ukuthi asikho isidingo sayo ayibalekile usho konke okushoyo ngayo. Into ithi uMchunu waxambukela la. Njengoba wayesho ucommissioner ukuthi wa-encroach kwi-operation yamaphoyisa ukuthi operate kanjani akangeni noma engabeka abe uminister wawo akangeni ezintweni ze-operationally. Kuyiwa kuyena makunodaba efuneke libike ukuthi kubhekwana nani la. Kodwa yena wa decide ukuthi a-encroach agxambukele azongenela ekutheni mahlakazwe lolu phenyo. Yini le eyayiphoqa kangaka noma imhlupha kangaka? Okay, sizene emangeni akhe. Unamanga uSenzo Mchunu ngoba ngeke ngisathi uminister. USenzo Mchunu unamanga ngoba eParliament wakwabuzwa ukuthi uyamazi yini uMkhutsi uBrown Mkhutsi wathi akamazi. Jiki waphinde futhi washintsha somewhere washaya isidudla wathi hayi umuntu nje yicomrade nje ngimazi njenge comrade, you know. And izolo bese khombisa ukuthi cha uyamazi impela uBrown Mkhutsi. Yes. Incwadi yafika kanjani kuBrown Mkhutsi le ebhalo wena akazi nakhona ukuthi yafika kanjani incwadi. Uyathanda ukuthi mayibuza imibuzo labantu bamapolitics ukuthi bethanda ukufuna ukuchaza ngakasho ukuthi awukuchaze. Cha, awungachazi manje. Awukuphendula umbuzo ube specific ngeanswer yakho ungalokho ujustifier. Too many justification angeke sise ndawo. So nje bafowethu ngisasho namanje ukuthi hayi indoda le uMacingwane hayi uguilty bafowethu uguilty wayishanje ifambu lana ikhona into ayizama ukuyivikela nokuyiprotector emsizayo lapha nalapha. So nje lento ngeke sise ndawo siyikhanti bafowethu uma ukuthi akababizanga labantu ukuyibona abaphathelene nalento ayeyenza ubhedile kakhulu. Sazolalela ke eminye imibuzo azoyibuza ke namhlanje ngoba izolo besabuzwa kakhulu uadvocate kusazobuzwa ke yinhlaka ke lezi ke zama members khona eParliament imibuzo elandelayo sozwa ke nakhona ukuthi uzosidefenda athini ngoba le ndaba yokudefend inkulu kakhulu ngize izolo ngafanisa ngeTLP ukuthi hayi okugqama kakhulu la ukuthi uyidefend khulu eligqamile eSouth Africa iTLP siqhanyelwe iTLP manje eyona siyaziyo eyidefend elikhulu naye uvela njengalo idefend ukuthi uzoyivikela kanti lana engabe uyasiza abeke iside lakhe ngokubuzwa nangokwestatement sakhe hayi aja ukuzojustify ngoba la yena waxambukela la wenza izinto unconstitutional yena ezingamdingi yena yabo kukhona lapho khona angakuvumeleka khona ne constitution emvumela khona ukuthi engakusebenza kodwa kulokhu kwangafaneke aze abhale incwadi athi uyayidisbanda i-task team no bafowethu ngizobuye ngakaqedi nikhumbula njalo the same Senzo Mchunu waqamba amanga ngodaba lwalengane yaseKokstad ucwecwe waqamba amanga wathi uprincipal usewahambisile ama results oyocheckwa ngempela ukuthi akuyenani wani kube zingane waqamba amanga waqamba uhubhu kaBhejana so amanga nje uyahubhuza usazohubhuza namanje afuna ukuthi afake ipolitika because ipolitics is all about lies you know so ke bafowethu njengabahlali base South Africa kufanele izinto enjena sikhulume ngazo ngoba ziyasithinta kakhulu asikhulumi ngazo ngoba sama politician mina nje angazilutho ngepolitiki bafowethu kodwa nje ngingumhlali kwalabo bantu abama politician bala la engumhlali khona bangabase South Africa so ke ngikhuluma ngikhuluma njengomhlali lezi zinto ziyasithinta ningacabangike nina enidlayo kulamasela mangabe entshontsha bese nicabanga ukuthi nizoza kuthina nifuna ukuthi sicheme nabo asichemi la uqhamukile uNdonga washaya impempe wathi nakhe konakele la simlalelile uNdonga namanje uNdonga kusahamba phambili uNdonga nje isikonje kuse u5-0 uNdonga nje usawuphethe u5 wakhe uphelele noma usawuphethe u10 wakhe u10-0 uNdonga uhamba phambili zonke lezi isafika isayidefender zisambundaza nje Ndonga siyabonga.
So I've been watching this Senzo Mchunu testimony in Parliament, right? And they keep asking him the same thing about, okay, did you have the powers to close the political tax team unit? And he keeps telling them that I spoke to the president and I told him that I want to close this PKTT and the president approved that I can go ahead and close it. And then they still go and ask him, but that was of the National Commissioner. But I don't think people understand one basic rule, right? The president has all executive power to do everything that the law does not say he cannot do. So the president has all executive power to do everything that the law does not say he cannot do. So unless you can quote somewhere where it says the president cannot do this, then the president can do it. And once a person says, I did something with the approval of the president, then the matter is closed. You cannot do anything about it anymore. It's closed. The president has the ultimate executive powers to do things, not the national commissioner, not the minister, not anybody. As far as the executive branch of government is concerned, the president has all the powers to do everything that the law does not say he cannot do. He's gone. He's done. Stop beating this horse about whether Mchunu had the powers to close this unit or not. Leave it. The question that you should be focusing on is, was Mchunu's decision influenced by Kate Matlala, by Brown Mokhodzi, by KT Molefe? That's what you should be focusing on. To say, well, you have done it and you told the president and the president approved, but did you do it because you wanted to protect these people that you have a corrupt relationship with? That is where the issue should be. But this one of trying to prove that he acted beyond his powers, guys, leave it. Leave it. You're just wasting your time. Nothing is going to come out of it. If a person tells you, I spoke to my boss says you can do it, and then you want to report this person to his boss that he told already, what are you trying to do? You want to go and tell my boss that I did something that my boss told me I can do, and then you want to tell my boss that I did that thing and I was wrong to do it. But my boss told me that I can do it. Come on, stop being a stupid. Stop beating a dead horse. Focus. Did this guy get influenced by Bran Mokhots? Did he get influenced by Mulefe? Did he get influenced by Matlala to close this commission? That is the discussion that we should be having. Stop having stupid discussions.
Senzo Mchunu is busy implicating himself there in parliament. I think that's the reason why Julius Malema said they must allow him to rant and address so that he can continue implicating himself more, so that he gives them more question to ask that he is not going to answer. Bambuza one question, Bati. Did you meet General Mkhwanazi and General Masemula and discuss the disbandment of the PKTT before issuing that letter on the 31st of December? Atiena, no, the PKTT was formed by the president. And when the president was forming the PKTT, he didn't meet neither General Masemula or General Mkhwanazi. He just announced on TV that this is what is going to happen, and they did that. Then I'm asking myself, who the hell does Senzo Mchunu think he is in the police? Because he is an executive leader. Umasemula is an operational leader. So automatically he can't interfere with operation. Even the president cannot give Masemula an instruction that disband the PKTT now. He can't. The president, before he gets to that decision, he must meet with General Masemula, and then he gets a report of the operation. Then he sees and consider all the facts on the table, whether should it be disbanded or not. You can't just issue an instruction that disband the PKTT immediately because it's no longer necessary. Political killing, they no longer exist in South Africa. They ended in 1994. After 1994, it's murder. But the PKTT was formed in 2018. After you said when political killings, they no longer exist. So Senzo Mchunu must continue implicating himself there in parliament. And I know Juju is back. I trust that man when it comes to questioning. Awuzo yisola Shem. Uzoyisola.
Yabantu asihlalani phansi ke sanhlalani phansi fast ke sithethe ka minister. Minister lo use living. Minister lo use living uSenzo Mchunu. Mamelani ke uSenzo Mchunu ke wangena ke namhlanje ku committee. Yukudu. Nyani ke kwenziwa lanto ke ba afunge. Anyani wafunga uminister ake wasiqala phansi ke kwicareer yakhe bawenze ntoni phi nabani kwathini yava wabesiqala phansi uminister yava hayi ndaphakamisa isandla ndathi asizelanga lonto apha sizele izityholo ezibekwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi phezu kwegama lakho Macingwana zithethelelo mfokabawo ngena emxholweni mfokabawo yava mna nditsho pha ku-general ndithi yhu anditsho ku-general nditsho pha ku-minister uthi minister khawutsho athi minister meant athi from i-6 zikaJuly of 2024 mna ndinuka uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthi apho ndihamba khona abantu bathi kunuka inkwali yenkosi uthi ndithetha uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthi ayikho enye uncoko uthi ndothi molweni kuthiwe molo but uGeneral Mkhwanazi akutsho mna ke guys kutsho uMacingwane utsho pha eqongeni ndike make hayi siza kunika ichance Mchunu but mandikukhumbuze izityholo otyholwa ngazo yabo hayi ke nyani benzithi into otyholwa ngayo mntase kaloku apha wena utyholwa ngoba wena watyikitela ileta yava ekutyikityeleni kwakho ileta what iPKTT mayidisbandwe immediately yava and kongoku izityholo zithi kwa lo mtyikityelo walo leta wena wawungena right utyikityela kwala leta masiqaleni kula leta yoba wena uyityikityelile yava wathi Mchunu say less. Wathi uMacingwana say less wakhupha iconstitution wakhupha imiqulu wafunda ekufundeni kwakhe ke bantasa uyasixelela bana yena he had all the power yoba ayibhalela leta yava uthi and ayikho iunit not unit i-task team esetwe ngamapolisa uthi i-task teams zisetwa ngupresident Therefore naye une-right yoba i-fetus team isetwa ngupresident une-right yoba ayicime. Yaba utsho kanjani uMacingwane ke bantu sakutsho mna kutsho uMacingwane uthi uMacingwane une-right uthi it was not unlawful and it was constitutional. Uyafunda ungumntu nofunda uyabona beklasini xa kuthiwa makubekho uzofunda uShakespeare wayephakamisa isandla kuqala athi ndim mem. Hayi ke qomba okay Macingwane okay uyabona uba i-MK shem idiniwe yabiphakamisa isandla sithi uMacingwane uyayenza into yokuthiwa kufunda. Waphakamisa uJulius Malema yathi asizelanga nina apha nina MK thina siyakwazi uconcentrate if nina nikwazi uconcentrate into yenu leyo. Wacaba kuyaxanjuliswana ke ngoku iMK noJulius Malema kuyaxanjuliswana. Hayi ke shem uche wayiqhawula fast wathi guys masiyekeni lento siyenzayo. Uthe kaloku uminister ba udikwe lento yoba yena phamba khona kuyajojiswa kujojiswe kuthiwe kunuka uMkhwanazi. Yava so ufuna ke ngoku clearish igama lakhe so ke ngoku msicela simvumeleni ba aclearish igama lakhe. Hayi shem uminister ulithathile ixesha lakhe ke ngoku kusixelela ba lento ayenzileyo yokubhala la letter ibisemthethweni. Fine sabuyela ke ngoku ku-evidence leader. Evidence leader uthi Macingwane ndiyakuva ba uthi lento uyenzileyo ibisemthethweni but ude uyenze nge-31 mfokabawo ude uyenze nge-31 and ekuyenzeni kwakho nge-31 uyisendele bani athi yena akho xesha libekiweyo ba ileta ongayibhala nini and ke ngoku amapolisa ayasebenza nge-31 emapoliseni akuvalwa. Amapolisa ayasebenza nge-31 that's why ndibhale nge-31 because ibindiweka nge-31 namlando so ndayibhala ileta nge-31 kodwa ileta uyisendele bani uthi ileta mna ndinike ubani chief of staff which is Nkabindi namkhumbula Nkabindi nanko ene-voice etswinayo eyisuprano ke uthi yena ileta wayinika uNkabindi bamakayisendele bani uGeneral Masemula which is the National Commissioner and the lady that was standing in for General Masemula which was the acting National Commissioner at the time. Yava so ke ngoku andikho sure because uSibiya ndiyakho sure noba uyisendele nale letter uSibiya udibana nale letter ingathi noSibiya uyisendele le letter kuthiwe ke ngoku usendelwe nee-PAs zabo bobathathu ke if uSibiya befakiwe pha. Fine so kuthiwa ke ngoku okay ke general wena minister siyakuva ba uthi nyani ileta uyisendile nyani ileta ibilawful and lento wena ikuweke nge-31 sixelele ke ngoku bana ude caba lento iyakuweka nge-31 kanti uBrown Mokgotsi nge-1 the following day ekuseni they're gonna have a conversation yoba le team le idisbandiwe when ugqibo ikhupha ngoku lento and then bona the next day well in a matter of hours sebeyazi sebeyicirculate amongst themselves bana wena udisbandile iteam kuthiwa Mchunu lento yakho man iye yangathi man usebenzisana nabo yabo kulento yale letter wathi ke nakumchunu andazana nalonto mna ileta ndise ku chief of staff uchief of staff dathasendele ababona inoba ilikwe ngabo bayizibe kanti yofika ko Brown. Yaba akutsho mna ke guys kutsho uMchunu hayi fine kuthiwe okay Mchunu but ke ngoku masingene apha eleteni ke mfokaba because ileta uyibhalile andithi lento uyibhalile masingene ke ngoku kwi-details ezizeleta yakho kukho igama apha elingumnqa elithi immediately. Mchunu ubungayazi ba uGeneral Masemula uselivini ashomye bendiyazi and bendiyazi noba ubuya nini kuthiwa uGeneral Masemula wayeza kubuya nge-14 zikaJanuary. Yava kuthiwa ke ngoku xa uthi immediately wena apha kule leta yakho uthetha ukuthini ke mfokaba because uyatsho nawe ba uGeneral Masemula ebeza kubuya nge-14 so uthi immediately kubani because uyisendile le letter wafakaza i-deputy zakhe zombini nalo beke ebe acting National Commissioner in Masemula's absence naye wamfaka. So immediately lo ubufuna enziwe ngibani, yava? Hayi athi uMacingwana immediately guys ngiyamconfuse nina ninengxaki apha kule committee no immediately. Immediately akathethi ba xa mhlawumbi uhamba kwi-freeway kuthiwe you must stop immediately. Uthi immediately akathethi ba kufuneke uhit i-brakes, ubreake and then ime imoto ntsi, ukhuphe izithixo ume ngaphandle uthi ya ndimile immediately. Eva uthi no, it does not mean that. Immediately does not mean that. Immediately uthetha ba xa ufowunelwe kwathiwa njengoba ulapho stopa immediately, wena funeka udrive until ubona i-off ramp. Then off ramp, because if ume ngxi etheni okanye kwi-freeway uzawutshayiswa zezinye imoto. Kutsho yena ke bandazi, kutsho lo mntana Macingwana, Macingwana unepoint ne, unepoint. But ke ngoku ulomfo i-evidence letter ithi Macingwana ndikuva. Macingwana kwakule leta yakho wena uthi i-lento i-vacancies zakwa-crime intelligence mazivalwe immediately, yava? And izityholo onazo wena ngoba uya-interferisha kwa-crime intelligence and wena ufuna ukontrola i-crime intelligence zingaka. So ke ngoku le leta i-adressa into ezimbini qha, i-adressa i-PKTT, i-adressa i-crime intelligence, and wena uthi ingxaki yakho ibi-national. Le crime ibikuwekha nge-31st ibi-crime yalapha kwi-republic. Ngoku uthini ke ngoku Macingwana ngaleyo ba wena kule leta yakho ufocuse kwinto ezimbini? Uthi Macingwana kwezinto ezimbini ndifocuse kuzo ndibone izizo endingazisolva ngoku and ezinye izizo ezingathi ziyanditya. Kodwa Macingwana kodwa Macingwana ima. Wait, hold it right there. Yani kupatu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to Usenzo Mchunu, Umabamgrila Lapana, and labanye basho ukuthi bayam understand, they get where he's coming from, they get his point. I think they are making sense, and some are saying ayihambi kahle indzaba yakhe. Some are saying nje ukuthi into atigodlako, some are saying ukuthi he needs to be arrested. Kumatima yashisa leya sithi la kuyo uMchunu, but I feel like better unasibiya ngingita serious yena uyakhona at least kudlala angemagama. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.